Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you all. Today I'm going to show you how to make the healthiest chicken salad, perfect for weight loss. So let's get started. To make the chicken salad, you need chicken breasts. Here I have 2 chicken breasts that I wash off camera, then pat it dry with kitchen towel. Next step is to mix all the seasoning in one plate. I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of grounded chili powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, then add AROMAT, about half a teaspoon. After that, I add black pepper. So these are all the seasoning that I'm going to use to season the chicken breast. After adding the black pepper, next I mix all the seasoning together with a spoon until it's well combined. Please check the description box. You're going to find all the list of the ingredients. The description box is under the title. Just press that, it will take you to the description box. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed, please, I will appreciate it if you press that subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will not miss out. And do not forget to leave a comment and give this video a thumbs up. After mixing, I keep it aside for use later. So here I have the 2 chicken breasts washed and clean and also pat dry. So with a knife, I cut the chicken, but I'm not going to cut it all the way through. The reason why I'm cutting the chicken is that I want to apply some spice. That is the spice mix there. So that's why I'm cutting it like this. But if you don't want to cut yours, another method is to use a fork and poach the chicken. But trust me, I prefer to cut it like this, and I will show you why when I'm applying the spice mix. Next, I apply coconut oil to the chicken breast for that rich flavor, and also the coconut oil is going to stop the chicken breast from drying out, but you can use any oil of your choice. Next, take the spice mix and apply it all over the chicken breast. And when you're applying your spice mix, please be generous. You can wear a hand glove. Next, I open where I cut and apply the spice mix. So you see why I cut the chicken breast. So you can see why. So now, by the time you apply the spice mix where you cut and in and out, it's going to take in the spice. By the time you're done baking or air frying the chicken breast, it's going to taste amazing because the spice is all over. Like the chicken breast is loaded with the spice if that's the best way to explain it. After applying the spice mix, next I transfer to a clean plate, then cover with a cling film to allow to marinate for 1 hour. Is a must. I can't stress it. But you can do this a day before. Leave it in your fridge to marinate for at least 24 hours. The longer you keep it to marinate, the better taste you get out of it. So this is 1 hour later. The chicken has marinated for 1 hour, the chicken breast. So now I'm going to open it. Next, I brush the top of the chicken breast with coconut oil to add that rich flavor. Coconut oil is very rich in flavor, but you can use any oil of your choice. But if you're going to use coconut oil to make your own, please let me know in the comment section, because this coconut oil, it takes this chicken breast to another level. The fragrance, the taste, it makes it taste so nice. So please try it out, and also let me know if you're going to try it out. So after applying or after brushing the top of the chicken breast with coconut oil, next step is to transfer to your oven if you're using oven, but I'm going to use an air fryer. You know, we are going for that healthy. It's not that the oven is not healthy, but I just I just want to use a air fryer. So if you're also going to use a air fryer to fry your own chicken breast, I also want to know. Yeah, I want to know everything. Next, I transfer the chicken breast to the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also use an oven, as I said before. And with my air fryer, it has a timer. It also has a temperature. So when it comes to the air fryer, the temperature that I use is 160 degree. Then the time I put in 25 minutes. But after 25 minutes, I wasn't happy. It was cooked, but it was not really dark, like golden brown. So I later put it back again for another 5 minutes. So in total, I air fry it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 160 degree. Next step is to mix all the vegetables together. I prep off camera to save time. So I'm starting with carrots, cucumber, sweet bell pepper, the red one. Then I add cherry tomato. Can you see how colorful this is? I'm adding green bell pepper. Add avocado, is a must. Then add the lettuce. Can you see how colorful this is? This is food from heaven. Next step is to make the dressing for the chicken salad, and I'm using avocado, no salad cream. Avocado contains healthy fat, making it the best ingredients to make the chicken salad dressing. So next, I scoop in the avocado into the small mortar, but you can use a fork and match your avocado, but I want to use mortar. Next, I add lemon juice, and I'm adding half of the lemon juice. The lemon juice is going to add this freshness. It's going to wake the avocado and give it that fresh taste. So add half of the lemon juice, then add black pepper. Black pepper is going to give it that kick and that spicy, just not too hot, but just going to give it that thingy spicy, like a taste of it. So you need the black pepper. After adding the black pepper, I pan and pan until it's well combined. Look at this goodness. It tastes amazing. This is food from heaven. There is a reason why I call it food from heaven, because everything is natural, organic, healthy. So after panning until it's well combined, next I transfer to the plate. Please let me know if you're going to try this recipe on the comment section, and if you've not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment. Are you going to pound your own avocado, or are you going to mix it with your fork? Whichever, it doesn't matter. So next I transfer, or I mix the avocado cream with the salad. You know, when you're eating that healthy food, that food that tastes amazing, it's colorful, it's good for your body, it's healthy. That's what your body needs, not what your body wants. Remember, you give your body what it needs. It tastes amazing. From the sweet pepper to the carrot to the lettuce, everything is on point. So going back to the chicken breast, after 30 minutes, look at this goodness. Another goodness. Next, I transfer the chicken breast to a clean plate, then cut with a knife. But please allow your chicken breast to rest for at least 10 minutes. But your girl was hungry, I couldn't wait. So I went straight away and cut the chicken breast. And that's why I use a fork, because you don't want it to burn your hands. Now to the fun part, which is my favorite part, is to serve. So I cover the tray with some lettuce, like cover it with lettuce, you know, to give it that beautiful color or finish. So after I cover the tray with the lettuce, then I now transfer the vegetable salad. Look at this goodness. Look at how colorful this is. That's why I call it food from heaven. Food from heaven. I mean, chicken salad. It is healthy, colorful. On its own, you can just have it like this, but let's take this to another level by adding the chicken breast. Oh my god, this tastes amazing. Not just amazing, it tastes delicious, yummy, tantalizing, inviting, colorful, name it. It was so tasty that I had to repeat this recipe the next 2 days because it was not enough for my family. Please try this recipe, and if you do, let me know on YouTube. Also, let me know on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. And if you do try the recipe, send me the picture because I'm going to do a giveaway. Send me the picture. I would love to see it. And there's a giveaway, as I said. Check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients. And if you have any friend that you love, share this video with them so that they can also repeat this recipe. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.